Escaping the rat race is something we chat about all the time, right? But here's the thing, we haven't really laid out a solid plan for how to actually do it. So today, let's dive into some real ways to break free and live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up without an alarm, sipping your coffee while enjoying the sunrise, and not rushing to a job you dread. Sounds dreamy, right? One way to start is by exploring side hustles that ignite your passion. Maybe it's selling handmade crafts online or freelancing in a field you love. Another idea? Think about downsizing your lifestyle. Simplifying can free up your time and money, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. It's all about creating a life that feels right for you, not just following the usual script. So, what do you think? Ready to take that leap? Welcome back to the official Finflix channel. If you like and want more of this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show us your support. First, we need to define what the rat race really is. You can't throw around terms like the rat race and success without setting the stage. So let's paint that picture. The rat race is that hamster wheel where you work hard. Earn some money, spend a little bit, save some, invest it, wait for it to grow, then spend that money and start again. This goes on and on. And in this cycle, you slowly inch forward, never really feeling like you're truly free. You might be able to take a few vacations or upgrade some things, but overall, you're still bound to this cycle of earning. Spending, working, saving, investing, repeating. Getting out means breaking this cycle. No, to shift from consumer to creator. In our modern world, it's easy to fall into the trap of being a consumer rather than a creator. Most people get stuck here and never make the shift. They consume media, hop on every new trend, buy the latest tech, all while dreaming about success but never truly grasping it. Think about it. As a consumer, you're always tied to those products, chasing after more stuff. But creators, they have something different. They build value. Creators build value in their work, whether it's a skill, a product, or a service. The fundamental shift needed to break free comes down to mindset. And this is where most people miss the mark. Do you want to continue being a passive consumer or become an active creator? 3. Build multiple streams of income. If your financial life is solely dependent on a single paycheck, you're at a standstill. That's right. Most people depend on just one income stream and wonder why they can't progress. You see, relying on that one income keeps you confined. You can barely cover expenses, let alone save, invest, or enjoy any real freedom. To break free, you need a diversified income portfolio. Consider side hustles, digital products, rental income, or even dividends from investments. The key is diversification. Having multiple income sources provides a safety net, reduces financial stress, and paves the way for growth. Each new stream brings you closer to true freedom. Are you ready to explore these options? No. 4. Prioritize financial literacy. Here's a shocking fact. Most of us didn't get a dime in financial education in school. Imagine that. We learn everything from fractions to physics, but nothing about managing money. Well, it's time to take charge because financial literacy is the key to breaking free. Get smart about budgeting, investing, and taxes. These aren't boring topics, they're your secret weapons to escaping the rat race. With budgeting, you take control of your cash flow. Investing allows your money to grow. And tax strategies ensure you keep more of what you earn. These aren't separate skills. They complement each other and build on each other. When you understand these concepts, you're no longer a passive participant in the rat race. You become an active player who can outmaneuver the system. You can find resources online or even through local libraries. And remember, you don't have to ace everything right away. Start with small steps. Learn about one new concept every month. It all adds up in your path to financial freedom. Number 5, live below your means, invest the difference. We know it's tempting to indulge in the luxuries life offers, but living within your means is a game changer. Look, we're not suggesting deprivation. Instead, think of it as a strategic choice. Understand where your money goes, cut back on non-essentials, and redirect that cash toward your goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for travel, or building your own business, the possibilities are yours. On the flip side, there's investing. It's not just about stocks and shares. It's about making your money work for you. Explore options like index funds, real estate, or even starting a side hustle. By investing wisely, you can grow your wealth and secure your future. It's a win-win. But remember, delayed gratification is the name of the game. Yes, you could splurge now, but imagine the freedom you'll have when you've got that nest egg ready to support your dreams. Are you ready to start saving and investing? Let us know in the comments section down below. And hit the like button. Number 6, start a scalable business or online brand. Let's talk about a major pitfall many entrepreneurs and people fall into. They trade their time for money. I'm talking about traditional jobs or even side hustles like freelancing. Sure, they bring in some cash, but guess what? Time is limited. Everyone has only 24 hours in a day. So if you're trading your time for money, you're essentially capped on your earning potential. The smart move is to leverage your knowledge or passion into a scalable business or online brand. This way you create a product, service, or content that brings value to others and brings you passive income. It's like planting a seed that grows and provides rewards over time. For example, you can start an e-commerce store selling products related to a hobby or craft. You could offer coaching services in an area of expertise. Or if you're creative, start a content platform. The key is to think long-term. Yes, it takes effort initially, but the long-term rewards are immense. Number 7, automate and optimize your money. You know that scene in the movies where the protagonist suddenly becomes a multi-millionaire but struggles to manage their newfound wealth? Yeah, let's avoid that cliche ending. Here's the deal. Having lots of money doesn't mean freedom. It just makes money management more complex. So here's the solution. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and invest in low-cost index funds. And for those who prefer DIY investing, choose an investment platform that prioritizes simplicity and automation. With this approach, you won't feel the immediate impact. But trust me, you'll thank yourself in the future. Next, tackle debt strategically. If you're knee-deep in debt, use the snowball or avalanche method to pay it off. Both methods are effective, but the snowball focuses on motivation while the avalanche prioritizes savings. You'll be surprised how liberating it feels to become debt-free. And finally, review regularly. At least twice a year, check your budget, credit card statements, and investment accounts. Tweak your strategies as needed. Remember, systems beat willpower every time. If you want to learn more about these methods, you can watch my video where I explain both the pros and cons of each. I will link the video in the comment section below. Now 8, change your environment. Think about it. Your surroundings shape your mindset. Your environment either motivates you to level up or holds you back. And yes, it's entirely within your control. If you're serious about escaping the rat race, consider a change of scenery. Maybe it's moving to a new city, renovating your home, or just decluttering your space. The idea is to curate an environment that inspires action and progress. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, join communities, and connect with those who share your goals. Don't hesitate to drop the mic on toxic relationships and conversations that drain your energy. When you change your environment, you're changing your life. Number 9, invest in skills, not just stuff. How many courses have you bought only to let the knowledge go to waste? Stop it. Investing in yourself is crucial to breaking free from the rat race. We're not saying don't invest in nice things. We're just highlighting that skills often provide a greater long-term return. Acquiring valuable skills like digital marketing, data analysis, or programming can open doors to better job opportunities or even starting a successful business, for example. And here's the beauty of it. Once you learn these skills, you can apply them across various situations, increasing your value in any field. Moreover, don't overlook the power of soft skills like communication and leadership. These are invaluable assets that can help you stand out and climb the corporate ladder faster. So don't fall into the trap of buying countless courses just for the sake of it. Choose wisely and focus on skills that align with your goals. Remember, your time and money are precious, so invest them in ways that will compound over time. Number 10, redefine success. Before you can escape the rat race, you need to redefine what success means to you. Is it achieving financial freedom? Is it achieving financial freedom to live life on your own terms? Is it having the creative freedom to pursue your passions? Or is it exploring the world without limitations? Personally, I have adopted author Earl Nightingale's definition. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Defining your version of success will guide your actions and keep you focused on your goals. It's about shifting your perspective from solely chasing money to achieving a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. This might involve prioritizing experiences over material possessions, focusing on personal growth and self-fulfillment, or building a business that has a positive social impact. The bottom line is that escaping the rat race is about gaining control over your time and energy. Freedom from the constraints of a job you dislike, financial worries, and societal expectations. It's about designing a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and the ability to make a meaningful impact. And remember, the journey is unique for everyone. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to escaping the rat race. So there you have it, 10 steps to help you escape the rat race. We're definitely not promising it'll be easy, but with these tools and a dash of determination and positive thinking, you're well on your way. Drop a comment to tell us which step resonated with you the most, and hit the like button if you're ready to break free. Hey, if you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Together we can all conquer the rat race. Don't give up and keep fighting. Thank you for watching the official Finflix. If there is a topic you would like us to cover, let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.